Heard this beat in my dream.
The DJI Mini 2 is a compact drone that provides high-quality images and 4K video. At less than half a pound, the Mini 2 is an excellent option for beginners looking for an easy-to-transport 4K drone. Those seeking more advanced options like obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and the ability to use ND filters should look into the DJI Air 2S. In comparison with the stock Mini, the Fly More combo includes 2 additional batteries, 2 extra propellers, a 2-way charging hub, and an 18-watt USB charger, as well as a carrying bag.